Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified, accident-free and one owner, 2016 Lexus RX 350. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle has memory seat functions for 3 different drivers, power windows, mirrors, and locks. It's got full leather interior, power seating, a large sunroof up top to cover both the front and back seats, and a very spacious 5-passenger interior. The back seats are also heated. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls, plus a heated steering wheel. It has a built-in navigation system, AM, FM, and XM radio, USB and auxiliary inputs, a rear view and 360-degree camera. It has dual climate control, a wireless charge pad, heated and vented seats, and many more great features.